My name is Gwilym Edwards. I'm from Cardiff and I'm 22 years old. At the moment I'm studying social work in Cardiff Metropolitan and I'm in my last year. Growing up, my parents fostered and I got to see social workers come in and out of the house time to time. That first gave me the insight into what social workers do and give me that spark to perhaps that's the career for me. When I was growing up, I think like every young boy in Wales, they wanted to be a rugby player. But I also thought about the police, but I'm pretty happy with the career choice I've made now. In my spare time, obviously I'm still a student, so I enjoy going out to events, going out on nights with my uni friends. I also like to make time for my home friends in Ponty. It's important to get your education, go to college or university or get a trade. I definitely think for young people at the moment, it's quite a difficult time, and I'd say a lot of young people worrying at the moment, you know, whether or not they're going to be able to succeed in life, perhaps as their parents did. It's super important to vote, especially with young people. You know, decisions are being made, and they have a right to put their voice to be heard. Lots of people in Wales are away perhaps studying in university outside of Wales, but no matter where they are, in or outside of Wales, their vote still counts.